How to use the ParkMobile app at Osher UC San Diego. Step 1. Download the app on your Android or Apple device. Once downloaded, click on the app. Then navigate to Settings. Click Sign Up. Step 2. Use your email that you enrolled with to register for your Osher account for the ParkMobile app. Check your email for a link to log in. As a new member, it can take 5 days for your email to be added to our parking list. Once added, you can use the Osher discount code. Step 3. Add your vehicle under the Settings tab. Then, add payment methods, also under the Settings tab. Step 4. Navigate to the Parking tab. An S space is for Osher members who have been members for at least 5 days. A V space is for guests or new members, or those wanting to pay by the hour. To park in an S space, search for zone 47450. Select UCSD to purchase an S permit, which will allow you to park in any S space. Proceed to checkout and complete the purchase process. If you are a visitor, search for zone 8980 for visitor parking in a designated V space. Choose the amount of time you will be parking. Proceed to checkout and complete the purchase process.